Hey guys, so I was sent these thorn-proof gardening gloves from the MUSTKING store in exchange for an honest review, so let's go. I am greatly in need of some gardening gloves that don't allow things to kind of prick through. So they come almost vacuum sealed. I'm just going to kind of cut it just a bit. Love the color. I have a gardening basket. I know I will not be able to lose these. I'll be able to see it. And this is how they arrive. I love the fact also it goes up quite a bit on your arm. So this is not just for gardening. This is for anytime you need something that is puncture proof. So I am just going to get my hands in there. So first impression, it feels good on. It isn't super tight or restricting. I also got the size extra large, so this is big enough for both my husband and I to use. Another really super cool thing about it is that they are able to be washed like in your washing machine. And it says that they won't shrink or destroy in the washing machine, so I'm pretty excited about that as well. If you want to see these gloves actually in use,
Okay, so what I love about these gloves is the fact that I'm able to pull my weeds up from the root, not just cutting them down, which prevents them from going back so quickly, and they are puncture proof as well.
And if you're looking for the perfect gardening gloves where things can't prick you, I found the perfect pair for you.